Here we are at the Illawarra WoodWork School. We're making canoes, and we're to the point of marking out the panels, drilling holes, and we're going to start stitching today. And they're doing a really good job. So here's the man that runs the show, Stu.
How you going?
What do you reckon, Stu? They doing all right?
Really great day.
Good stuff. I like your workshop, mate.
It's great, isn't it?
It's brilliant, isn't it? So they do all sorts of classes here, woodwork classes at the wood school, and we're as I said, we're building canoes this week, and very good students, these fellas. George is down there slaving away on his own. After we that's all right. You're working on your own. So after lunch we'll get a couple of people in and help George and Nikki get their boats together. The others that have finished stitching theirs together, they're pitched in and helped as well. So good stuff. Good to see all this teamwork and cooperation. Who said you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Simon's come along and he's cut the corner out of a filler bag, and he's made a what do you call them in the ice cake world?
Piping bag.
Piping bag. He's made a piping bag up, and so what he's doing, he's putting a fillet down with a piping bag, just squeezing it down into the centre of the joint. He's getting very even coverage with it. It's working extremely well. Look at that. That makes it so easy. Why didn't I think of that?
Icing.
Magnificent. And then he's going to show us another little tip which I reckon is magnificent too. How's that?
Pretty even, isn't it?
What a champion. Here's another little tip that Simon's come up with. As you use a piece of 2x1 timber and just drag it along and push the epoxy down into the joint. I am so jealous I didn't think of that ages ago. How's that for another little tip when you're filleting? Well done, Simon.
Thank you. Necessity is the mother of invention.
It is. Here we are at Wednesday Arvo. Rod's absolutely buggered. But everyone's been having fun. And we've got the canoes to the point where they're all gooped up. Just got to do the bit in the centre tomorrow morning. Stu's been panicking because there's bits with epoxy on them getting put down everywhere. And Nikki's doing a fine job over here. She's been mainly working on her own. But we've dug in the Savo and given her a hand, and we got it. She's done a magnificent job here. Got her all gooped up, eh? Well done. Good stuff. All right, start of day 4 of our canoe building. We've got them all fillets all in yesterday afternoon, and glass on and peel ply. This morning it's the big unveiling. So they're all looking good, really good. So there's 7 all up. The big unveiling. Here we go. Look at this. Ceremonial unveiling. Ta-da!
I thought we needed some.
See how good the finish is? We've got no air bubbles. Wow. Minimal lumps and bumps. You get the occasional one like that near the edge, but you can sand that out really easy. And that way we've got all that glass buried, and we haven't got a problem with sanding into it. Woohoo! Here we are, canoes, Friday. They're looking good. And here's the crowd that put it all together. Well done, team.